Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, we are going to learn to build chains in LangChain using runnable sequences. Now, let us recollect and understand why do we use chains in LangChain and what makes them so significant. We talked extensively about various components of LangChain in another video. Check them in the I link after watching this video. Chains in LangChain help us integrate the various pieces or various components of any AI tool, especially those that are being powered by LLMs. Say, for example, you want to integrate together a prompt template, LLM model, as well as various tools in order to build an AI application. Chains thereby help you integrate those in sequences. Now, before we move ahead and understand how we can actually build these chains using runnable sequences, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so that you never miss a video. We are using here Visual Studio in order to code our environment. You can very well run it in Google Colab or any other editor as per your choice. Okay, we are going to create a directory, test chains, cd test chains. Then we'll create a virtual environment. Yeah, so here I'm going to activate my environment. My environment is now activated. The first file that I'm going to create here within test chains is requirements.txt. This will help us manage our packages well, right? Also, in case we want to specify any specific version for the package, we can do so. We are using .python.env because we are going to leverage OpenAI for our LLM, and this will help us keep our environment key or access key hidden, right? We don't have to showcase on the screen. Then we are going to install ipykernel. Our packages are now installed, right? We installed the corresponding packages that we required. We have also copied the .env file here. Now the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to create a script, ipython notebook, right? What are some of the imports that we need to make? We need to import LangChain OpenAI. And we are also going to use output parser, right? These are the packages that we require here. Now we are going to load .env to check it. Yes, so our environment has also been successfully set up. We also have the access key within our environment now. The next thing that we are going to do, we are going to create uh, an LLM chat OpenAI. We can specify the temperature, let's say zero point 0.7, right? We are going to specify an input key. This could be anything. I'm just creating an example for the prompt template. Or let us first define the template itself, right? Write a short note on the topic, and we are taking topic as input, right? So prompt template will be prompt template dot from template. We will pass the template here. So our prompt template is now ready. Now let us take this topic as input, topic inp. Let me take beards. Okay, now I'm going to create a chain. For this chain, my first input will be prompt template. See how we are creating the chain here, right? This is the part that I wanted to emphasize upon. And this is known, these are the runnable sequences, and using this pipe operator we can directly build chains in LangChain. See, str output parser. Str output parser is nothing but in order to get the response or actual content from the generated response, we use this str out parser. You can also do response dot content, so same thing. Okay, so our chain has now been generated, and in order to invoke this chain, response is equals to chain dot invoke, and we are going to pass the topic input. I'm going to print the response, and our output is visible here, right? So this is how we are going to create chains using runnable sequences. You can also integrate multiple chains together. So this is how you can create chains very easily using this pipe operator and this runnable sequences in LangChain. If you would want to build, say, chatbots with multiple user intents, then you would want to integrate or nest certain chains or multiple chains together in order to allow the chatbot to have multiple functionalities. Even chaining multiple chains together or nesting the chains is possible in LangChain using this pipe operation. I'll attach some links in the description. Go ahead, check them out. Let me know your thoughts. If you would like me to cover some extensive videos on nested chains in as to how you can integrate multiple intents together, let me know in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this lecture and learned something new. See you in the next lecture. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Jai Hind.